Success usually comes to those who are too busy to be looking for it. This is me, Kanishka Verma from Standard 3rd A. And this is me, Kabir, from Standard 3rd A. It gives us immense pleasure to be anchor today. So I consider it a great honor to welcome Kabir from Standard 3rd A on my stage. Please welcome on the stage and put your hands together. Honor Chief Guest Sir, Principal Ma'am, and lovely teachers and my all dear friends. Jai Hind, good afternoon. This is me, Kabir, in standing front of you all from Standard 3rd A. I would like to deliver my speech on value of good company. I think I myself should know to differentiate between a right person and wrong person through my conscience because the poet rhyme says जो रहीम उत्तम प्रकृति का करी सकट कुसंग चंदन विष व्यापत नहीं लगते रहत भुजंग जैसे चंदन का वृक्ष विशाले सर्पों से लिपटा रहता है लेकिन उनके विष का चंदन पर कोई प्रभाव नहीं पड़ता ठीक वैसे ही जो व्यक्ति उत्तम प्रकृति के होते हैं बुरी संगति उनका कुछ नहीं बिगाड़ सकती क्यों क्योंकि उन्होंने अपने अपने मन को कंट्रोल करने के लिए स्वयं को बहुत ट्रेन किया है that's why a person is good by nature and is strong controls over his mind speech and thinking his bad friends cannot spoil his brain he stands firmly on his principles and values. In all, I can say that a good company makes our life successful and gives respect and dignity in society. That's all. Jai Hind, thank you. We are really impressed by your bravery going in that outstanding speech. So I would like to call next contestant, Tanek. Please join us with one round of applause. Teachers and all my dear friends, Jai Hind, good afternoon. This is me, Tanek, from class 3rd A. From class 3rd A, I would like to deliver my speech in front of you. My topic is value of good company. Good company makes our life pure and sacred. It sprinkles that truth and politeness in speech. Good company supports us in a hard time and helps us thrive and prosper. Says तुलसीदास says, एक घड़ी आधी में पूरी रात तुलसी संगल साधु की हरे कोटि अपराध That's why we should always good friends. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Participant history now.
Welcome on the stage. Respected Chief Guest Sir and Principal Ma'am and all my lovely teachers and dear all my friends. This is me, Arda Singh from class 3rd A. I am delivering some speech. My topic name is the sun. The sun is the natural source of heat and light. The sun gives us sunlight. Sun rises into east and sets into the west. The sun helps our Indian farmer to prepare food like wheat, pulses, rice, potato, cabbage, etc. The sun is a part of our universe. The sun gives us sunlight. The sunlight helps our body. The sunlight gives us vitamin D, which is very important for our body. Sunlight, sun, the sun appear yellow to us. The sun is a bright ball. The sun is a ball of fire. The sun contains so many gases. Thank you. Jai Hind. Lovely teachers today. Beat or fresh air, button or some comment. Next contestant is Nivedita. Please welcome with new round of applause. Chief guest sir, principal ma'am, director sir. This is all lovely teachers and friends. This is me Nivedita from class third A. My topic is my mother and good lines and Hindi lines. My mother name is Deepta Singh. She is very hardworking woman. She is takes care everyone in the family. She teaches me discipline and moral values. My mother is the best mother in the world. She is takes everyone in the family. She loves cooking and gardening. Thank you. Hindi lines. हजारों फूल चाहिए एक माला बनाने के लिए हजारों फूल चाहिए एक माला बनाने के लिए हजारों दीपक चाहिए आरती सजाने के लिए हजारों दीपक चाहिए आरती सजाने के लिए हजारों बूंद चाहिए समुद्र बनाने के लिए हजारों बूंद चाहिए समुद्र बनाने के लिए पर एक माँ ही काफी है दोस्तों बच्चों की जिंदगी स्वर्ग बनाने के लिए थैंक यू जय हिंद What is amazing about it is good that you try your feet. So, I would like to call next contestant, Divyanshi. Please join us in one round of applause. And Principal Ma'am, Director Sir, Jai Hind. Good afternoon. This is me, Divyanshi from class 3rd B. I would like to leave some points on value of good company. Good company is like a garden, it make our life beautiful. Friends who are good and kind make us feel happy. We learn to share and care for each other. They help us to stay away from bad habits. Good teachers are good habits and manners. Thank you, Jai Hind. Thank you. Thank you very much for your amazing performance. Without further ado, let's call our next speaker. It's my pleasure to invite Manvi on the stage. Please welcome on the stage and deliver your speech. Sir, director, sir, principal ma'am, and all dear my teachers, and all dear my friends.
Jai Hind, good afternoon. Myself Manvi Pal from Standard 3rd B. Today I would like to deliver some points on Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore was a great poet. He was born on 7 May 61 in Kolkata. He was the author of Gitanjali. He was known as Gurudev. He passed away August 7, 1941. Thank you, Jai Hind.
You were talking like a brief of that. What an awesome performance. Contestant is asked how. Please welcome with huge round of applause.
Honorable Chief Guest Sir and Director Sir and Principal Ma'am and all dear my teachers and all dear my friends. This is me Astha Verma from class 3rd B. I would like to deliver some points on value of good company. Good company is like a garden. It makes our life beautiful. Friends who are good and kind make a good company. They help us in times of need and make us feel happy. We learn to share and care for each other. Good company teaches us good habits and manners. We should choose friends who are honesty and truthful. Thank you, Jai.
What an amazing performance. It's good that you throughout your speech. Let's now turn our attention for Priyanshi. Let's praise him with his warm round of applause.
हैंड ओवर मैं करूंगी मैं करूंगी साइड दिख जाएगा क्योंकि तुम मेरे लास्ट वाले को बुला रहे हो
मैं उस देश की नागरिक हूँ जहाँ छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज और सम्राट अशोक जैसा राजा था। मैं उस देश की नागरिक हूँ जहाँ हर 50 मील पर रूप पहनावा मजहब बदल जाता था। मैं उस देश की नागरिक हूँ जहाँ डाल डाल पर सोने की चिड़िया को पाया जाता था। मैं उस देश की नागरिक हूँ जिसे अपने भूगोल के पहले इस ब्रह्मांड का भूगोल समझ आता था। अ वेरी इन्फिनिटिक आफ्टरनून टू हॉनरेबल चीफ गेस्ट सर and principal ma'am and respected director sir and all my dear friends. I am Priyanshi Singh from class 3rd A. My school name is Jeevan Jyoti Chandra Kamal Academy and today I am presenting Self-Reliant India. The Honorable Prime Minister Sir Mr. Narendra Modi said Vasudham Kutumbakam, one earth, one family, one future. The main theme of Prime Minister is Self-Reliant India. Self-reliant India, not the self-sufficient India. Ethical wealth creation for the self-reliant India. Self-reliant citizen for the self-reliant India. Then our population become our collective strength, not a weakness. Fifth pillar of the self-reliant India: economy, infrastructure, system, demography, demand and supply. Government implementation all the policies in different sectors. These are education sector, health sector, agriculture sector, rural sector. Education sector are include midday meal. This is a nutrition support scheme. Basic focus on primary education. Integrated child development program promotes children and maternal care. Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan also focus on girls and all basic focus on primary education. Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan contains the Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan, the Rashtriya Madhyamik Shiksha Abhiyan and the teacher education. Also three components in Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan. Mano Darpan app. Government provide digital classes to class 1st to 12th. Health sector include Ayushman Bharat. Government provide 5 lakh rupees free treatment to below poverty line people. प्रधान मंत्री जननी सुरक्षा योजना, प्रधान मंत्री गरीब कल्याण योजना, प्रधान मंत्री पोषण अभियान. Elimination by leprosy in 2025 and measles in 2027 and elimination by pulmonary tuberculosis in 2030. National Vector-borne disease, National AIDS control program, National tobacco control program. Agriculture sector include farmer double income. प्रधानमंत्री किसान सम्मान निधि, प्रधानमंत्री फसल बीमा योजना, प्रधानमंत्री कृषि सिंचाई योजना. Rural sector 70% population live in rural area. The government basic focus on गांव गरीब और किसान. India is an agriculture based economy. Rural roads provide through the Pradhan Mantri Gramin Sadak Yojana. Rural housing provide through the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana. Rural electricity provide through the Pradhan Mantri Saubhagya Yojana. Rural gas connection provide through the Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana. Rural telecommunication provide through the Digital India. Rural drinking water supply provided through the Har Ghar Jal Shakti Mantralaya by the new Jal Jeevan Mission. These policies government implementation in urban areas and rural areas. Inclusive growth of India. हम अपने भारत के नागरिकों का समावेशी विकास कैसे करें? सबसे पहले हमें उनकी एजुकेशन जनरेट करानी पड़ेगी। एजुकेशन जनरेट के बाद उनका स्किल डेवलपमेंट होगा। स्किल डेवलपमेंट के बाद उनकी एम्प्लॉयमेंट जनरेट होगी। एम्प्लॉयमेंट जनरेट के बाद उनकी इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ होगी। इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ के बाद उनका डेवलपमेंट हो जाएगा। दैट इज कॉल्ड इंक्लूसिव ग्रोथ ऑफ इंडिया। ऐसे हम अपने भारत के नागरिकों का समावेशी विकास कर सकते हैं। मैं अपनी बात को खत्म करने से पहले एक कोटेशन बोलना चाहूंगी। मैं उस माटी का वृक्ष नहीं जिसको नदियों ने सींचा है, बंजर भूमि में पलकर मैंने मृत्यु से जीवन जीता है। मैं एक पत्थर पर लिखी इबारत हूँ, शीशे से कब तक तोड़ोगे। मैं एक पत्थर पर लिखी इबारत हूँ, शीशे से कब तक तोड़ोगे। मिटने वाला मैं नाम नहीं जिसको मेरे पापा ने सींचा है। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
To class 4 anchors, please welcome on the stage and
Proceed.
this program.
Proceed.
Learn as if you will live forever, live like you will die tomorrow. This is me Aviva from standard 4B. And this is me Harshita Singh from class 4th A. It gives us immense pleasure to be anchored today. So I consider it a great honor to welcome Ayushman Awasthi from class 4th A. Put your hand together.
Honorable Chief Guest, Sir, Principal Ma'am, Director Sir, lovely teachers, and all my dear friends. Here I am, Ayushman Awasthi from class 4. Today I am delivered a speech on my country, Bharat. The name of my country is Bharat. It is very beautiful country and has a vast area of land. Foreigners visit in our country. New Delhi is the capital of our country. The slogan of our country is unity and diversity. The national emblem of our country is Lion Capital of Ashoka Blur at Sarnath. It has 28 states and 8 union territories. The national language of our country is Hindi. The national flag name of our country is Tiranga. It has vast area of land and a beautiful infrastructures. It is the first populous country in the world. Before let's end the speech with a quote. My quote is, फना होने की इजाजत ली नहीं जाती, फना होने की इजाजत ली नहीं जाती। यह हमारे देश की मोहब्बत है जनाब, पूछ कर की नहीं जाती। यह हमारे देश की मोहब्बत है जनाब, पूछ कर की नहीं जाती। थैंक यू।
We are very impressed by your great design in that outstanding speech. Make a big round of applause for him. It's my pleasure to introduce Kavya, who will be speaking next. Please welcome on the stage Kavya.
Honorable Chief Guest, Sir, respected Director Sir, Principal Ma'am, and all my lovely teachers and my dear friends. Today I am here, Kavya Lakshakar from Standard 4th A to speak a few words about Rani Lakshmibai. We all know the bravery of Rani Lakshmibai. She was an unforgettable warrior in the history of India. Rani Lakshmibai, popularly known as Jhansi Ki Rani. She was an excellent horse rider, sword fighter, and well-trained in martial arts. She emerged as a great personality in the first independence war in 1857. Rani Lakshmibai was born on 19th November 1828 in the town of Varanasi. Her childhood name was Manikarnika Tambe. She was married to Raja Gangadhar Rao, the king of Jhansi. After the death of the king, Britishers annexed her Jhansi to its territory. Then she will decided to get it back and fought bravely against the British rule. She was dead on 18 June 1858 on the battlefield. Rani Lakshmibai is a glorious example of patriotism and national pride. She is a tremendous source of inspiration, women now as well as women in the past. She will always stay in the heart of every Indian. Thank you. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
You were taking like a breath of fresh air. What an awesome performance. Put your hand together.
Chief guest sir, director sir, principal ma'am, all the lovely teachers and dear friends. So today I am standing in front of you. My name is Yajat from standard 4th and today I deliver my speech on my great country Bharat. So you know our country name was India, also known as Hindustan. It has a vast area of land and has a beautiful monument to travel. People from another country come India for travel and it is the seventh largest country in the world. It is also first largest populous country in the world and the national anthem of our country is Jan Gan Man. National anthem of India is originally composed in Bengali by Rabindranath Tagore. The heritage animal of our India is elephant. Thank you.
So, it's my pleasure to introduce Javin, who will be speaking next. Please come on the stage, Javin.
Respected principal ma'am, director sir, all teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Javin Verma from class 4A. Today, I would like to share my thoughts about human health. Staying healthy is all about eating well, moving your body, and getting enough rest. First, eat lots of fruits, veggies, and drink water. That helps you grow strong and feel good. Second, stay active. Play, run, exercise every day to keep your body strong. Lastly, don't forget to sleep well so you wake up feeling ready for a new day. Remember, your health is in your hands, and that helps you enjoy life. Take care of yourself, and you'll be ready to learn, write, and have fun. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Teaming director, sir, and all my dear friends. This is me, Harshita Singh from class 4th A, standing front of you all to deliver a short speech on women empowerment. Women empowerment means making women independent. It promotes women's safety. It allows you to take their own decisions personally. It's equal opportunities for women. The women empowerment plays an important role of development of a country. Lastly, I want to say lines on Hindi. मुझसे मेरा हक मत छीनो, मैं भी यूं पढ़ लिख कर परिवार का नाम बढ़ाऊंगी. मुझसे मेरा हक मत छीनो, मैं भी यूं पढ़ लिख कर परिवार का नाम बढ़ाऊंगी. बेटी हूं तो क्या हुआ, बेटों से ज्यादा फर्ज निभाऊंगी. माना माना कठिन डगर है मेरी, माना कठिन डगर है मेरी, लेकिन फिर मंजिल पा जाऊंगी. मुझसे मेरा हक मत छीनो, भद्रकाली बन जाऊंगी. मुझे बनाया परमेश्वर ने, मैं भी राज दुलारी हूँ. मुझे बनाया परमेश्वर ने, मैं भी राज दुलारी हूँ. तो सुनो जरा, कमजोर नहीं, धधकती हुई चिंगारी हूँ. छेड़ो मत तुम जल जाओगे, छेड़ो मत तुम जल जाओगे, मैं दुर्गा मैं काली हूँ, मैं दुर्गा मैं काली हूँ। थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे।
Harshita, before proceed this program, I want to share a few lines. We can't solve problems with the kind of thinking we employed when we came up with them. So this is me, Rajvardhan from Standard 5th B.
And this is me, Arohi Singh from Standard 5th A.
It gives us immense pleasure to be the anchor today. So it's my pleasure to introduce Arohi, who will be speaking next. Please welcome on the stage Arohi. Clap for her.
Distinguished Distinguished Chief Guest Sir, Director Sir, Principal Ma'am, teachers and all my dear friends. Jai Hind to all, my name is Arohi Singh from class 5th A. Today I would like to deliver my speech on Rani Lakshmi Bai the warrior. Rani Lakshmi Bai was the first woman to fight for India's freedom. So she is known as Warrior Queen. She was the daughter of Moropan Tambe and Bhagirathi Sapre. She was raised by her father after her mother's death. Rani Lakshmi Bai was a kind, just ruler, intelligent communicator, and defender of the faith. She was an excellent horse rider and shot fighter. Rani Lakshmi Bai, courage, passion for freedom, and love for her people made her an iconic figure in the India's struggle for freedom. When the English British East India Company tried to annex the Jhansi according to the dogline of Lapse, then Rani joined the rebellions and quickly she took command all the revolutionary forces. She fought bravely and with gallantry heroism but murdered on 18 June 1858. Her loyal attendant immediately removed her body and lit the funeral pyre so that the British could not even touch her body. Rani Lakshmi Bai is a glorious example of patriotism and national pride. Her name is written in golden letters in the history of India and will always in the heart of every Indian. So next of all, I would like to say few lines in Hindi. चमक उठी सन 57 में वह तलवार पुरानी थी, खूब लड़ी मर्दानी वह तो झांसी वाली रानी थी। बुंदेले हर बोलो के में हमने सुनी कहानी थी, दूर फिरंगियों को करने की सबने मन में ठानी थी, खूब लड़ी मर्दानी वह तो झांसी वाली रानी थी। सो दैट्स ऑल एंड थैंक यू।
You were taking like a breath of fresh air. What an awesome performance!
So I consider it a great honor to welcome Gauri from Standard 5th on the stage. Please Gauri, come on the stage.
Yes, sir. Distinguished Director, sir, prestigious Principal, ma'am, respected teachers, and all my dear friends. Jai Hind. This is me, Gauri Dwivedi from Standard 5th A, standing in front of you all, and I would like to deliver my speech on religions of India. We all have grown up hearing the phrase Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai, sab aapas mein bhai bhai. Today there are more than 4,000 religions in the world and the most popular ones are Christianity, Hindus, Islam, etc. Since India is a secular country and several religions coexist, there are five major religions in India such as Hindus, Islam, Christianity, Buddhism, Sikhism. Our religion teaches us a lot of life lessons like be kind to everyone, telling truth, or following the path of righteousness. Different religions have their learned men who act as a medium between pupil and God. Like Christians have father in their church, an imam in a mosque, a pujari in a temple, a granthi in a gurudwara, and so on. Although these people have their different names,
but their jobs are same, performing rituals in holy places to connect with God. We respect a religion and abide all our religion. It is not just about visiting temple or celebrating festival. It's our identity. It's define who we are and teaches us what we can achieve in our life. Every religion offers moral guidelines and ethical principles which shape the behavior and conduct adherents. That's all. Thank you.
What an amazing performance. It's good that you moved throughout your speech. Please join me in welcoming Ashya on the stage. Please welcome on the stage Ashya.
सामने जो बैठी है ठीक है, उनकी तरफ देखना ठीक है, बच्चों की तरफ।
Director sir, principal ma'am, respected teachers and all my dear friends. Jai Hind. This is me Ashriya standing in front of you all from standard 5th A, and today I would like to deliver my speech on Festivals of India. India is a vast country with various religions and various cultural practices. People with different cultural beliefs stay together in harmony. They celebrate festival together and share love and respect with each other. Some major festivals celebrated in India are Diwali, Holi, Eid, Christmas, Dussehra, etc. Festivals are of four types: national festivals, religious festivals, seasonal festivals, and harvest festivals. Some national festivals are Independence Day, Republic Day, Gandhi Jayanti, etc. National festivals are celebrated together as a nation. Some religious festivals are Diwali, Holi, Eid, Christmas, Dussehra, Pongal, Onam, etc. Diwali and Holi are the most prominent festivals celebrated in India. Some seasonal festivals are cherry blossom, Vaisakhi, Bihu, Pongal, Onam, etc. These festivals are often focused on cultivation or other seasonal phenomena. Some harvest festivals are Nuagi, Puthandu, Gangor, Holi, Lohri, etc. These festivals are celebrations that take place around the time of main harvest in a region. And that's all. Thank you.
We are really impressed by your bravery going that outstanding speech. Once again, put your hands together for Ashya.
So I would like next contestant Jessica, please join us with a warm round of applause.
अच्छे से करना ठीक है, और सामने देखना है, ऊपर नीचे।
Respected Chief Guest Sir, prestigious Principal Ma'am, distinguished Director Sir, respected all teachers and all my dear friends. Here I am Jessica standing in front of you all to deliver a speech on a punctuality of time. Our time is very precious thing. It is more important than money. A person who respects the time is have a great success in her life and also a lot of money. Helpermen like doctors, engineers, teachers, policemen, they are the punctual of time, so they have a great success in her life and also a lot of money. Our time cannot be saved, but it can be spent. Our time is more important than money. Our time cannot be buy, but it can be saved. Our time is precious, but it is free. A punctual and disciplined student always get respect and social acceptance to her parents and teachers in her society and school. A punctual student always get success in her social studies. That's all. Thank you very much for giving me your precious time.
Thank you very much Jessica for your outgoing speech performance.
अपने फिगर नहीं थी अपनी
To rock the stage, I would like to call Anya to perform and show your talent to here. Please a big round of
सबके
applause
सामने
for
देखते
her.
हुए अच्छे से अपने ही तो लोग हैं, अपने ही तो एक लोग।
Director
sir, distinguished principal ma'am, respected teachers, and my all dear friends. Ni hao everyone. This is me Anya Patel standing in front of you from standard 5th A. Today I would like to deliver my speech on true meaning of discipline. Discipline must be fundamental rule of everyone's life. We must so discipline our way of dressing, sitting, talking to our way of living. Discipline helps us to maintain peace, punctuality, and organized lifestyle. Discipline helps us to focus on our studies and achieve goals. It teaches us to follow certain rules and regulations. It is the hidden secret of success. Great leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, and everyone were highly disciplined. If everyone embraced discipline, the nation would become more reputable and valuable. Without discipline, no one can achieve anything substantial in their lives. So that's all, and thank you.
Thank you very much, Anya, for your awesome speech.
बाहर नहीं जाने
So next contestant is Arpita from class 5th A. Please give a warm round of applause for her.
Instructor, excellent principal ma'am, teachers, director sir, respected teachers, and all my dear friends. Challenge, every other time, that you can talk to all from standard 5th. Today, I would like to deliver a speech on the true meaning of forgiveness. Forgiveness is a topic that presents to every person who exists. We all need forgiveness in our life and also need to give forgiveness. They are not the seven forgiveness is what? It is not have the good feeling towards the dead person who is wronged. Forgiveness brings fluency in our life and community of that person who is good forgiveness. It would be done if you the wrong value of that person who is not accepting her effort with the acceptable trust. Next, I would like to say some message clearly. गांधी जी से अगर दान को सर्वश्रेष्ठ बनाना है तो क्षमा दान करना सीखना होगा बदला लेने के बजाय दूसरों को माफ कर देना कई अधिक आसान होता है क्षमादान करने छोटी सी कविता बोलना चाहती हूँ क्षमादान मात्र क्षमा नहीं एक वरदान है एक आशीर्वाद है एक संस्कार है जिसे लेकर आत्मा तृप्त होती है नेक्स्ट I would like to say some lines in English. So I expect you to all that great possible to us more possible. Believe me, it is amazing progress toward everything. That's all. Thank you so much for listening my speech. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
We are really impressed by your bravery going in that outstanding speech.
Let's now turn our attention for Adil Tripathi. Let's praise him with big warm round of applause.
Director sir, prestigious principal ma'am, excellent teachers, and all my dear friends. Jai Hind, Konnichiwa, and bonjour to everyone. This is me, Agnes, standing in front of you all from standard 50. Today, I would like to deliver a speech on Lata Mangeshkar, the queen of melody. Lata Mangeshkar is a renowned singer who entertained millions of people for many years. She is the most versatile singer in Indian film industry. She is born on September 28, 1959 in Indore, Madhya Pradesh. Her father, Pandit Dinanath Mangeshkar, a classical singer and a theatre actor. Her mother Mrs. Shivarti, a Gujarati woman from Jharkhand. Lata Mangeshkar's childhood name was Hima, but she was named after Latika, a character in one of her father's plays. Lata Mangeshkar sang in many genres including ghazal, bhajans, and pop. She recorded thousands of songs for the Hindi film industry and sang in more than 30 films religious languages, and some formal languages. In 1974, the Guinness Book of Records recorded artist in humanity. Lata Mangeshkar received many prizes, including Dada Saheb Phalke Award in 1999 and Bharat Ratna in 2001. Her song resonated across the globe, transcending languages barriers. She was also known for her humility, gratitude, and giving back to the nation. At last, I want to tribute the heartfelt lyrics to our Bharat Ratna. Let's salute her. So that's all about Lata Mangeshkar. Thank you. Have a nice day.
What an amazing performance. It's good that you moved throughout your speech.
Please join me in welcoming Rajvardhan from class 5A on the stage.
Honorable Chief Guest Sir, most streaming Director Sir, excellent Principal Ma'am, and all my lovely teachers and all my dear friends. Jai Hind, Konnichiwa, and hello to everyone. This is me, Rajvardhan from Standard 5th B. Today I am here to present a speech on an incredible India. India is a rich and diverse country with a rich culture, socio-historical and historical legacy. Its diverse culture include Hinduism, Islam, Christianity, Jainism, Buddhism, including some festivals like Holi, Diwali, Eid, Christmas, reflecting this diversity. The traditional Indian society is based on family, community, and religion, with the joint family system still essential. The India officially recognized 22 languages, with the English being dominant in business and official dossiers. The freedom of India from British is begun in mid-19th century, symbolize the fought against colonialism. The key events include 1857 revolt, the non-cooperation movement, 1930 Salt March, and 1942 Quit India movement. The freedom of India from British is on 15th August 1947, symbolized the victory of peaceful civil resistance and inspired the anti-colonial movement worldwide. The Indian Constitution is the world's longest written constitution with the decorative frames. India is officially divided into 28 states and 8 union territories with a different type of geography, climate, and culture. India's geography, climate, and culture are differ from place to place. In the north, the snow-capped mountains, but in the south, the rainy coastal plains. The major rivers such as Ganga, Yamuna, and Brahmaputra are also flow in this country. The Indian deep culture tapestry makes it one of the most vibrant countries from another countries. So, at last, I want to say a few lines to be an Indian. न सरकार है मेरी, ना रूप है मेरा, ना कोई बड़ा सा नाम है मेरा, मुझे तो बस एक छोटी सी बात का गर्व है कि मैं हिंदुस्तान का हूँ और हिंदुस्तान है मेरा. थैंक यू. जय हिंद, जय भारत.
Thank you very much, George, for your awesome performance.
As we all know that no program can be ended without remembering the Almighty who created the whole universe. So now I would like to call Shivaji Yadav to help us in communicate with the God. So put your hands together for Shivaji.
Its meaning is, oh Bharat, whenever there is a decline in righteousness and increase in unrighteousness, I create my form, that is,
Appreciate
I
कम कर देना
appear in
इसको.
front of
Appreciation कम कर देना, ठीक है?
form. Honorable Chief Guest Sir, esteemed Director Sir, excellent Principal Ma'am, respected teachers, all my dear friends. Jai Hind and the brightest good afternoon. My name is Shivaji Yadav from Standard 5th B. Today I would like to give a speech on Krishna is considered the supreme deity, worshipped across many traditions in a variety of different perspectives. Krishna is recognized as the incarnation avatar of Lord Vishnu, and one and the same as Lord Vishnu, one of the Trimurti and as the supreme God in his own right.
इसको
Krishna
appreciate
is
कर देना
the principal protagonist with the Arjun in the Bhagavad Gita, also known as Song of God, which depicts the conversation between royal prince Arjun and Krishna during the great battle of Kurukshetra 5,000 years ago, where Arjun then discovers Krishna as God. And then comprehends his nature and will for him and for mankind. मैं एक श्लोक बोलना चाहता हूँ। यह श्लोक भगवत गीता का सबसे प्रसिद्ध पंक्तियों में से एक है। कर्मणि वाधिकारस्ते मा फलेषु कदाचन। It means you have a right to your work, but not to its fruit. I hope that's all. Very good. Thank you.
What an amazing performance. It's good that you moved throughout your speech.
Last but not least, please join me. Fish punch. Okay, sir. So I would like to call next contestant, Fish Panchal. Please join us with warm round of applause.
Honorable Chief Guest Sir, esteemed Director Sir, excellent Principal Ma'am, all the teachers and all my dear friends. This is Nikhil Panchal from Standard Post B. I would like to deliver a speech on a teacher. A teacher is a person who gives education. He is the builder future citizen. There are many teachers in my school. I like Mr. Al most. He teaches us English. He is about 26 years of age. His method of teaching is very interesting. His personality is good. He wears simple dress. The student easily understand him. This feel of difficult, though the topics too may be difficult. He is very regular. He never misses his period. He treats his students like his own son and daughter. His behavior is very nice. Thank you, Jay.
Thank you very much for your beautiful performance.
Last but not least, please join me in welcoming Aradhya from class 8. Clap for her.
Good afternoon and Jai Hind. So, I am Aradhya Rai from Standard 8, standing in front of you all. And firstly, I would like to extend my sincere greetings to our Honorable Director Sir, our Guest of Honor, Chief Guest Sir, esteemed Principal Ma'am, our valued and dedicated teacher staff, and all my dear and cherished friends. On special occasion of speech competition, I would like to share my thoughts on the topic that is based on my most cherished book I've ever read, The 48 Laws of Power by Robert Greene. You see, this book was gifted to me by my elder brother some years ago, and I've always been seriously drawn to it. Actually, my elder brother is my ideal person, so of course I was drawn to it, but that's not the only reason. You see, this book has something different in it. The reason is because it is based on psychology. It teaches the important lessons that are needed by using the examples of history itself. As a famous person, George Santayana also states that a man who doesn't understand the concept is condemned to repeat it. Well, this quote states and explains as to why a person needs to take the teachings from the past, or else they might end up repeating the same mistakes that happened in the past. This book explains the power dynamic with the help of history. As author of the book also says in his book that power is not the corrupt, it is what reveals. Power reveals true intentions and what is really needed. It can reveal real intentions behind worthwhile. Many people fear power, that they are afraid of power. But this book says otherwise. It says that power is not always meant for destruction. It can help protect the innocence of all the children and everyone. So, this book has changed my views, ideas, thoughts, and overall how I see and how view the world and a perspective. It has been a turning point in my life that I read this book. And I do recommend everyone to read this book because it is not only just a book, it is something that can change your entire life and something that can change all the views and perspectives that you have been seeing this world through. This book provides a lens through which we can view the influence and the overall occurrences and system of the world. And this book mostly gives you a lens to see through all the ends that are front of you. Now, at last, I do want to recommend this book to everyone. I do recommend you all reading this book, and I hope that you do understand what it talks about. That's it. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Aradhya Didi, for your marvelous performance. Congratulate all the participants of this competition for their wonderful performances. The results will be announced soon. Let's proceed this program with few lines. खोल दे पंख मेरे कहता है परिंदा, खोल दे पंख मेरे कहता है परिंदा, अभी उड़ान बाकी है, जमीन नहीं है मंजिल मेरी, अभी तो पूरा आसमान बाकी है. Thank you so much. Now it's time to honor the winners of our competition. So it's my humble request to our chief guest sir, please come on the stage to honor the winners of our competition. Everyone give a big round of applause.
जिन्होंने मुझे यहाँ इनवाइट किया, आप लोगों के बीच में आने का मौका मिला मुझे, ये मेरा सौभाग्य है कि आप लोगों के बीच में आए. मैं आप लोगों को बहुत कम समय में थोड़ा बताने का प्रयास करूँगा. सुनना, समझना और जानना, है ना. पहली चीज़, मैं आज यहाँ खड़ा हूँ, बोल रहा हूँ, मैं भी ऐसे ही पढ़ करके यहाँ पहुँचा हूँ. मैं सच बोल रहा हूँ, मुझे स्टेज पे आने से बहुत डर लगता था. ये हकीकत बता रहा हूँ, अपने जीवन का जो है, मैं 7th में फर्स्ट टाइम स्टेज पे मुझे शो कराया गया, वो भी मेरे मैथ के टीचर थे, मुझे बहुत लाइक करते थे, मैं पढ़ने में अच्छा रहा हमेशा शुरू से आज तक। तो मुझे प्रोग्राम में वो पंच करते थे, मैं किसी ना किसी तरीके से बच जाता था। 7th में दीक्षित सर ने मुझे जबरदस्ती एक ड्रामा में मुझे पार्टिसिपेट करने का मौका दिया। बाय गॉड बता रहा हूँ, उस दिन मुझे सारी दुनिया याद आ गई। मैंने कहा मैं स्टेज पे प्रोग्राम नहीं करूँ। उस समय से लेके मुझे अब तो यहाँ पे आया, ऐसी जगह है कि मुझे अब स्टेज पे ही रहना पड़ता है हर जगह आप लोगों के बीच में। तो मुझे देख के मैं बहुत अच्छा, मेरे बच्चे आप ही लोग की तरह हैं। बड़ी बच्ची मेरी 5th में है और छोटी मेरी LKG में है। दोनों को मैं स्टेज पे जरूर भेजता हूँ, बच्चों को कहता हूँ। और मेरी बड़ी बेटी कैप्टन है स्कूल में, 5th में है, वो कैप्टन है अपने वहाँ की। और मेरे से जस्ट एकदम हर चीज में, कोई भी चीज उसको देखने को मिलता है। बस एक पेपर आप A4 साइज का कुछ भी लिख के दे दीजिए, आप उसको 10 मिनट का टाइम दीजिए, 10 मिनट पूरा आपको ऐसे सुना देगी। तो अच्छा लगता है, खुशी होती है। तो आप लोगों को भी मैंने देखा, तो आप लोगों में बहुत अच्छे बच्चे हैं। और किस तरीके से लोग आते हैं, पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं। बहुत बहुत लोग तो ऐसे हैं, सबसे अच्छे बच्चे तो 4th और 5th में है। 5th और हाँ 5th में बहुत अच्छे बच्चे हैं। उन लोगों ने इस तरीके के स्पीच और ऐसे दिया, लग नहीं रहा था कि 5th में, 8th के बच्चों को इन लोगों ने पीछे किया है। बहुत अच्छा। दूसरी चीज क्या होता है, जब कोई बच्चा यहाँ बोलता है ना, तो उसका इंटरेक्शन आप लोगों से होता है। तो आप लोगों को मोटिवेट करना चाहिए। अगर जो आप लोग हंसोगे, थोड़ा सा वो करोगे, तो डेमोलाइज होता है ना, थोड़ा सा दिक्कत होती है ना उसको बोलने में, स्पीच देने में। बताओ होती कि नहीं होती है? अभी आप ही लोगों में से मैं किसी को उठा के बोलूं कि आओ बेटा बोलो, नहीं बोल पाओगे। बोल पाओगे? कोई खुद से अपनी इच्छा से आ रहा है, बोल रहा है स्टेज पे, तो थोड़ा सा ये चीज सीखो और कोशिश करो कि जैसे आज इन लोगों ने किया है, आप लोग भी आकर के बोलने की कोशिश करो, सीखो। ये इसका बेनिफिट आगे कहीं ना कहीं मिलेगा। देखो मैंने कहा, मुझे मैंने सोचा ही नहीं था कभी कि मुझे स्टेज पे इस तरीके से आके बोलना पड़ेगा। अब यहाँ आके नहीं भी आना होता तो इन्वाइट किया जाता हूँ, जाना है तो बोलना है, ठीक है। और दूसरी चीज, कई बच्चों को मैं देखता हूँ बहुत शैतानी करते हैं। शैतानी तो अच्छी बात है बच्चों को, नहीं, लेकिन इस तरीके की शैतानी नहीं। डिसिप्लिन, स्कूल का सबसे सबसे अच्छी चीज क्या होती है? अनुशासन, डिसिप्लिन, ठीक है ना। ये हम लोग भी अनुशासन में रह करके ही पढ़ाई किए, लाइन में जाते थे, लाइन में आते थे, लंच बॉक्स, टिफिन, ड्रेस, सब कुछ। और आप लोग देख रहे थे किस तरीके से बातें कर रहे थे। मैम हम लोग को आगे बड़ी दिक्कत होती है इससे, ठीक है ना। और आगे से आप लोग जान रहे हो ना, मुझे वर्दी तो पहचान रहे हो ना, पुलिस क्या करती है, तो समझ जाओ। आगे से मुझे, मैं अगर जो आता हूँ तो फिर एकदम डिसिप्लिन में रहना चाहिए। मैं हंसता हूँ, हंसाता हूँ, लेकिन मारता नहीं हूँ। हाँ, तो इसलिए शैतानी नहीं, परेशान नहीं करना है और डिसिप्लिन में रहना है, चाहे स्कूल में हो चाहे घर पे हो। और आप लोग को और आगे जाना है, कोशिश करो यहाँ से वहाँ पहुँचने की कोशिश करो। यहाँ नहीं, इससे और ऊपर जाना है, ये नहीं, इससे और ऊपर जाना है, ठीक है ना। और मैं अभी तक उरई और जालौन के कई स्कूलों में जा चुका हूँ प्रोग्राम करने। मुझे सबसे अच्छा स्कूल ये लगा, मैं इसीलिए मैं कल बोल के गया कि मैं आऊँगा खुद, मैं इस जो प्रोग्राम चल रहा है मैं जरूर आऊँगा, मैं बोल के गया। और दूसरा, मैं बच्चों को देखता हूँ तो अपने बचपन की याद आती है, और मेरे तो बच्चे आप लोग की तरह ही हैं, तो आप लोग को भी देख के अपने बच्चों को याद करता हूँ। क्योंकि मुझे जाने का मौका नहीं मिल पाता, मेरे बच्चे, मेरा परिवार लखनऊ में रहता है, 2-2 ढाई-ढाई महीने मुझे छुट्टी नहीं मिल पाती है। आप ही लोगों के बीच में आके खो के अपने बच्चों को याद करता हूँ, शाम को सोता हूँ तो थोड़ी देर बात कर लेता हूँ, पढ़ा देता हूँ। आज भी मैं पढ़ाता हूँ, अपने फ़ोन से बच्चों को पढ़ाता हूँ, मैं मोबाइल पे लिंक मंगा लेता हूँ, उसमें पढ़ के उनको बताता हूँ, मैं समझाता हूँ। मैं ट्यूशन भी पढ़ाता, जब मैं पढ़ता था ट्यूशन भी पढ़ाता था मैं बच्चों को, ठीक है। तो आप लोग पढ़ोगे, लिखोगे और अनुशासन का पालन करोगे, ठीक है ना। कोई कंप्लेंट तो नहीं आएगी किसी से आप मुझे, बस अच्छे हो, अच्छे बन के रहो, ठीक है। ओके, थैंक यू।
Thank you so much, sir. We feel really privileged to have your supervision and backing with us all the times. Sir, please we stay here to honor the winners.